We will talk about the next important part of the alimentary canal, which is a very coiled structure, is called as small intestine. Small intestine. So small intestine is the longest part of the alimentary canal, and when we are talking about small intestine, it is the site of complete digestion of carbohydrate, proteins and fats, and it receives the secretions from the liver and pancreas. So as I have already discussed with you that there are so many glands which are associated with the digestive system. They are liver and pancreas. So liver is a very important gland. You can see here, liver secrete a very important juice which is called as bile juice, which is stored in this greenish bag-like structure which is called as gallbladder. From the gallbladder, it enter into the small intestine. Similarly, you can see a leaf-like structure which is present in the human digestive system here. This is pancreas. So pancreas will also release some digestive enzymes. What is the function of bile salt or bile juice? Bile break down the larger fat molecules into smaller ones. This is called emulsification of the fat so that the enzymes will work properly. And the pancreas secrete pancreatic juice which contain the enzymes. So many protein digesting enzyme. It also produce lipase which help in the digestion of the fat, and amylase which help in the digestion of the carbohydrates. The enzyme present in the small intestine finally convert the protein into amino acids, carbohydrate into glucose and fat into fatty acid and glycerol. So as I have told you that in the small intestine is a very coiled structure. In the coils, when we just cut the wall of the small intestine, you can observe in this, it has very small finger-like structures which also absorb the digested food. The digested food is absorbed into the blood where it is utilized by the body, and the energy is provided by that food. That food is used for getting energy or some other purposes, and the waste material moved out goes to the large intestine where water is reabsorbed, and through anus the waste material move out of the body. This is how the complete process of human digestion will take place. First step was ingestion, the process of taking food in. Then there was a digestion, the process of breaking down of the larger food molecule into the simpler one that takes place in the mouth, in the stomach, in the small intestine. Then absorption, the digested food is absorbed in the body, and then assimilation, utilization of the food by the body. And the last step, which is egestion, the removal of the waste out from the body.